Hello students. Let's begin with the new chapter of civics, that is role of government in health. By these words, whatever the name is given, the role of the government in health, you may be understanding that it is related to the health. Now, there are so many things which we have to focus in this chapter, right? Before we start introduction, we will see one figure or a picture. Okay, would you associate all some of these pictures with health? See this picture in your textbook on page number 18, and in what way you can find out is related to the health, and write some points on this. So, would you associate all or the sum of these pictures with health? In what way? Okay, discuss. It is written discuss in the group, but you have to think your own. Right? It is related what? It is what is it related? It may be related with your diet. It may be related about the water. Please write on the book. Then we'll talk about, just we start with this. The people in the democratic country, such as India, expected the government of work for their welfare. Usually, they provided services such as affordable houses, basic education, good care, health care, productive employment, etc. So, in this lesson, we look at what the government do for the welfare and particularly in providing health services of the people. So, role of the government in health. We can see this picture. The education, the role of government in education, health, employment, housing, development, roads, electricity. Making a perfect provision of education, health, employment, housing and development and road and electricity is a role of the government. People used to expect these things from the government. Right. So first of all, naturally we are talking about this. So what is mean by health? Now what is health? Health is an important thing for all of us, because without health we can't never do the work or anything. Right? Health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. But health is it not only a disease what we are facing nowadays. So usually health means being and free from diseases, but in the modern world health also means doing active work and being a good spirit. People often fall ill if they do not have drinking clean water or a nutritious healthy food, if they live in polluted place, or if they are under the lot of stress. So these things makes issues in health. So healthcare in India, we'll see this. India is a big country, and in India there are large number of doctors, clinics and hospitals. These facilities run by the government. Healthcare is developed for all but not for the poor man. Sometimes it's happened. We'll see further in the chapter, in the topics. So many topics are there, we will discuss. Just as the introduction part, so I would like to tell you, can you provide a title of this column? Please go through the page number 19 in your textbook, and there is one column. Go through that column. Healthcare of India. So Indian healthcare system, India is a fourth largest. I am giving you written information. What I feel it should be the introduction of this lesson. India is the fourth largest producer of medicine in the world. But India also have one of the largest population in the world, and lot of resources and plannings are needed to be provided all Indians with the good healthcare services. Now this in pandemic you can find out what we are facing. We are now third number in the pandemic this corona pandemic. You can find out so biggest population where the population was less. I think so this would have earlier wind up out. So many people even today don't get enough clean water to drink, clean toilets and neighborhood to stop the spread of diseases and nutrition food. And although many Indians become a doctors and nurses, most of them take up jobs in cities. Some people in the villages either don't have get a good health care or they have traveled for the long distance to get a medicine treatment. This is a system of India, healthcare system I'm talking about. So India is also get lot of medicine tourists for the treatments which results further of diseases and nutrition food. And although many of the Indians become a doctor and nurses, most of the taken job, just now I told you, and they have to travel long distance. India got lot of tourism. In order to prevent the ill treatment, we need a proper healthcare facilities such as healthcare center, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, and blood banks, etc. India has lot of knowledge and experience in the field of healthcare, and it's a public run by the government healthcare system looked after by the people across the India. So these are the things what I feel it's come in introduction, and some what I written here. The National Rural Health Mission, that is NRHM, was launched in 2005 by the government of India. These are the some readings what I read and I written here, which are the current affairs. The goal of the NRHM was provided effective healthcare to the rural people with the focus of 18 states which have the poor public health and indicators or a weak infrastructure. There are infrastructure means development was not there. Earlier the population is still growing and it is forecasting the quadruple of 221 millions in 2050. This is likely to be compound the healthcare challenges facing in India in coming years. And in 2012, India was polio free, that is polio free, for the first time in its history. This was achieved because of the Plus Polio program started in 1995 and 96 by the government of India. 828 million urban residents live in the slum condition in worldwide. 37% of 161 countries do not have a national standard recommendation list of medical devices of different types of healthcare facilities in specific procedure. The overall, when I went to read this one, I feel the population is the root cause. Completion of the full 3 years without reporting any case of the polio, India celebrated the landmark of achievement of public health on 11 February 2014, the victory over polio. Foreigners in increasing number are now coming in India for the private health care. They are also come from Europe and North America for quick, efficient and cheap procedures. A shoulder operation in UK would be cost $10,000 done by the privately. In India, the same operation can be done in 1.7 euro, that is. And universal health care sometimes refers to the universal health coverage, or a universal care refers to the healthcare system that provided healthcare and financial protection to all of the country citizens. India are 3 times more prone to heart diseases than the European. Heart attack is the number 1 killer there. So Indians are 3 times more prone to heart diseases than the Europeans. So the heart disease attack is in number 1 their killer. India needs 2.5 million heart surgeries in a year, but only 90,000 of them actually happen, and India produces just 80 cardiologists in the year against 800 in US. So we require more doctors, we require more cardiologists. Actually India is more populated country, you must be knowing, and for this The health is very essential nowadays. It's become a, it's become a just nothing we are doing without the health. We can't do anything. So health is very important. This is introduction part of your lesson. Then I will start my subtopic of the lesson with the PPTs. Okay, I hope you understood what I want to tell you. This is somewhat some of the things what I added in this is nothing but the information or some current affairs related to the health. Okay, thank you and God bless you.